over here. I thought I had a spike trap. Guess I didn't.
No!
Oh! Oh my god. Oh crap. I fell down as well.
Oh shit! Should we go after them?
Yeah. Got him. It worked. Not as we planned, but it worked. That's funny, so. Bro, he has good loot. Come over here.
Alright.
Yeah, bunch of Modelos and everything.
I got 2 spike traps.
Oh, good. Whoa, crap. Oh, man. That scared the crap out of me. We could use this car as a blockade.
Where do you want me to put the spike traps at?
In front of the car.
Which one?
This one. Oh no, you gotta like back up when you do it. And make sure you don't hit the tires. Cause they break after one use.
Marked a location.
Oh, accidentally marked. Alright, we got a pretty good blockade. I can't believe that dude just started zooming and we came.
I know.
I'm gonna park this car like so that we could get out of here real quick. If the zone closes in. Yep. Another car. He's turning around. I'm hitting him from under the car. There's 2 of them. Oh my god, I can't believe this works. I need to save my own bullets. This is actually working, bro.
I know. I'm just trying to blow up the orange car.
I'll make sure they didn't jump down. Yeah, they're still there.
I'm gonna blow up their doom buggy.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. And then we can trap them. Let me pop these tires too so that when we go, they won't... Oh crap, bro. Somebody behind us.
Clean what up?
Somebody was shooting me.
Oh, we gotta go.
Yeah, let's go. That was fun though. We were just destroying them.
I know.
Oh crap.
Oh crap.
No way, bro.
Oh, the final zone is at military? Holy shit.
I blew up the tires. Yeah, like I planned ahead. I gotta regen. You do too.
Same.
That was crazy.
Oh boy.
Nah, we still got to go to the zone. I'm pretty sure we stalled them long enough so that they won't survive.
Yeah.
I should have blew up all the tires though, because I left the other two.
Oh, you're waiting on me.
Shots over there.
Someone calling the airdrop over here.
No, that's just a normal airdrop. Oh crap, I hit him a few times.
Oh, I got him.
Nice. Oh! Top 3 though, top 3.
Yes, sir.
That bridge camping was funny though.
Yeah.
I could do one more quick match because my phone is almost dead.
Alright.
And imagine this, I gotta pop off.
Same. Wow, I can't believe that worked.
Yeah. In bridge camping, we absolutely destroyed them. Usually bridge camping doesn't work, but that time we got lucky. She took the salt off my nuts.
That was funny, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. We had like a whole squad and 2 enemies over there. We got Most of them.
Yeah. And I still can't believe I killed that guy with the Groza, like knocked him with the Groza from the car while I was trying to get out.
Yeah. That was dirty how that dude snuck up behind you and just shot you.
Oh yeah. I got a Tommy gun, and a DBS.
Dang. I got trash. Oh, besides that's
Dang.
his favorite gun, that's good.
Someone got a flare already. What the hell?
Yeah, this is just a normal quick match.
Boy, I'll take this. I just found the AUG.
She likes to lick the salt of my nuts.
Mm.
That's my new catchphrase for this video only. Lick the salt of my nuts. Oh! Oh!
Do you know where? Oh, I see him. I see him.
Oh crap!
I'll try my best, Greg.
Oh, he's coming! He's in there.
Where?
Oh crap! They're in that little hut. Don't move.
No!